working on using more smart filters to adjust our Frankenstein. Working in the green skin textured layer, we're going to double click on Lookify, and here the Lookify option is open, and we're going to work on two tools. One is to pucker and the other one is to bloat. So I'm going to zoom in, and if I pucker, that makes the images go inward, and if I bloat, the images go outward. So you can see that's bloat, and here's pucker. And you can go ahead and play with those. If you want to reset what you had before, you can go Option, Reset, and then you can start again. Once again, that's Option, Reset, and then you click on the Reset button. So we're going to pucker to make it inward and bloat to pull the images outward. Now you can see as I'm going along, it's getting really messed up. So to reset, hold the Option, and that cancel button turns into a reset. Go ahead and play around with the pucker and bloat, and you can play around with the other options too, like swirl. If you want to play with other things, so I could swirl his face too. All right, and once you're happy, you press OK and save your work.